Hi everyone, so it's 6 a.m. here at Pangong Lake and we wanted to capture the sunrise. So here we are. So guys, we are at Changla Post right now. We have arrived at the Rancho school today and I think summer vacations are going on, so I don't know if we'll be able to meet the actual students over here, but let's see. So guys, there are a lot of 3DS references over here in the school, so let's just get the hang of them. That's Chatur, that's a drone, that's the famous scene, virus. Looks pretty interesting to me, but I don't see any students over here. Plus, I don't see any classes also. So pretty interesting on how things are over here. Let's see. हाय, क्या नाम है आपका? अकरम। अकरम, और भाई का? शहबाज। अच्छा, कितने साल के दोनों? ये 3 साल का है। अच्छा। मैं 11 की हो। अच्छा, बहुत सुंदर हो तुम दोनों वैसे। और मतलब हिंदी कैसे बोलते हो? यहाँ पे लद्दाखी बोलते हो? हाँ, लद्दाखी भी आता है। अच्छा, तो आप घर पे लद्दाखी बोलते हो, हिंदी बोलते हो? हिंदी। अच्छा, स्कूल वूल है यहाँ पे वैसे? हाँ है। जाते हो? जाते हैं। अच्छा, तो इंग्लिश वगैरह पढ़ाते हैं उधर? हाँ, इंग्लिश हिंदी चेक करता है। अच्छा, और सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ क्या लगती है पूरे लद्दाख की? लद्दाख की सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ हमें तो बता। मैन बाजार। अच्छा, वहाँ पे क्या बढ़िया है? खाना? लद्दाख में खाना बढ़िया है, वेदर बढ़िया है क्या? बहुत अच्छा सब, मतलब आई लव लद्दाख, कितना अच्छा पेंटिंग होता है ना। Hi everyone, so we'll be heading to the Stowe Palace today and apparently we'll get lunch over there. So let's see how things are. Excited to taste something nice over there. Yep. Now we are going to be trying out some authentic Ladakhi food. So let's see how it's going to be. The place looks really nice. It's evening time here in Leh and we have again decided to go to the market and try out some new things to eat. Really loving the food over here. Let's see how things pan out. Hi everyone, so it's the last day here in Leh and we'll be checking out from Lonchay Villa soon, since we had an extra day and the hotel isn't included in a package. So we'll be heading over to a new hotel just for a day near the Leh market. So yeah, miss this place. Felt like home when we came back from Pangong. Hi everyone, so it's a final night here in Leh and we have planned to go out shopping for a bit. Let's see what we can grab for our families. And Anikash just smiled a bit. He's skeptical of my vlogs. So yeah, let's see. So it's a final night over here in Leh and we were just roaming around the Leh market. Lovely place, really loved it. I think it's the last day for a lot of people over here. Gonna miss this place a lot. Love the journey. Thanks to Anikash. We had a lovely time together over here. Hi everyone, so it's a final day here in Leh now. And I'm currently in the bus, so we'll be leaving soon for a flight to Delhi and excited to be back in Delhi, and for me it's been a long trip.